It is no secret that Japan has one of the most efficient public transport networks in the entire world. But with the number of people that uses them every day, even a simple task like getting on a train can be quite daunting. Hello guys, my name is Harold. Today I'm going to show you how to catch the train here in Japan, so please subscribe to my channel and let's go! If you happen to live in one of the big cities in Japan, you are more likely to find train stations underground. The one I'm going to right now is called Imadigawa Station, and it is about 8 minutes by foot from where I live. One of the biggest factors that first prevented me from traveling by train in Japan was the simple task of getting a train ticket. How will I get myself a ticket to travel on a train? I don't understand or read Japanese, so how can I obtain a ticket without assistance? Well, as we are going to find out, it's easier than you think. At the ticketing booth, I first identified my route of travel. Today I'm traveling from Imadigawa to Kyoto Station. How much will I pay? Well, it says 260 yen or around $2. Now that I know what my fare is, it's now time to get the ticket from the machine.
Our fare is 260.
After getting the ticket, it's time to head to where the train will be stopping. This is what you need to go through. You need to insert a ticket for it to open. Don't forget your ticket because you will need it again when you reach your destination.
And basically guys, that's how to catch a train here in Japan. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos.